got a new car for my girlfriend. I saved up all my money to buy my girl some wheels. Been shopping around for my girlfriend. I did some bargain hunting, found some real good deals. For my girlfriend, my pretty girlfriend. Been working real hard for my girlfriend. Don't do no gang banging, and I'll be selling no drugs. I work 3 jobs for my girlfriend. She gives the illest kisses and the sweetest hugs. That's my girlfriend. Whoa, Lord, that's my girl. My boys say that girl is trouble. They say she a skeezer, yo. Whoa. Her moms and her pops be all on her back. Her so-called girlfriends be the main ones to tease her, so I'm gonna get my girlfriend about a D-town. We gonna move to Atlanta or Texas or somewhere and settle down. I'm the only one she got on her side, so I gotta keep her beside mine. We gonna cruise across the state line in this pimped out ride. Got a new car for my girlfriend. I hope it make her smile. I hope she don't think it's whack. A pretty nice car for my baby. It's got a lot of miles though, and I should have painted it black. Got a new car for my girlfriend. Oh Lord, please let her like it. I need for her to like it. She's got to like it. 'Cause I bought it from a crackhead. So that probably means I can't take it.